So we're here at USA MedBed Hospital Direct Medical, the Hill Rom P7500 Progressa. Jeremy, our bed technician, and Kingston, our mascot here at the office. But Jeremy, we're going to do the basically lubricating the bed rails. And with all these beds, including a Progressa, the rails can get sticky and they can be very hard to open up here with this latch. Yes. And then they can even get a little squeaky. And there's two sets of rails, so we're going to do the bottom set, and then we can do the top set. We actually did the top set in a longer video, but we had a request to show how to do that, so go ahead.
The bottom rail down here is a little more challenging to get to. You actually need to get down on the floor to be able to see up under here where this actual hinge is. It's right here. That's the mechanism. Now I'm using the turbine oil that Hill Rom recommends. You can use really any type of lubricant as long as you get it here on this little mechanism right there. And that should, let's see if I got it up there.
Oh yeah, big difference.
It's a challenge sometimes. There it goes. It's a challenge sometimes to get it in there. If you can't get it like that, I usually just put some on my fingers and take it and put it on it right there.
Right in that little centerpiece, that little metal centerpiece right there.
And then taking it down like that. Now it should be nice and smooth.
That's perfect. And that's a huge difference, and it's so easy to do. Gil, I'm shooting videos. So this is one of the super easy, quick ways. Now, do you want to just go back through and we'll do the top rail also, sure, just in case?
Yeah. So the top rail is a little easier. Just raise the entire head of the bed up and take your oil and put a drop right there.
Which is basically the exact same piece, just an easier way to get to it.
And then I just put a little bit around the edges there. I'll put a drop or two up here, put a drop in there, just so it saturates and goes all the way down. And what that does is it allows for that latch mechanism to just gently slide open.
Yep.
Perfect.
Perfect. So if you have a P7500 Progressa, you got a little bit of a sticky rail, very quick and easy fix. Jeremy, thank you so much once again for your time, sir.
Thank you.